Hi everyone, so in this quick video I'm going to show you on how you can map or connect your Meta instant form from your Facebook ads into GoHighLevel so that you can also capture the data into your CRM as well as trigger some workflows or automation when a lead submit your lead forms. So let's get started. So once you're in your account, all you need to do is go to settings and find integrations. And from here, there's a couple of integration here. Just find Facebook, which is usually at the very top. And this is already connected. But if you haven't connected your Facebook page first, you will see something like connect. So just click on connect, follow through the prompts to connect your Facebook page. And if you have multiple Facebook page, you might need to select which one you would like to connect to this sub account. And once that's done, just follow the prompt. Once it's connected, it will look like this. It will say manage and you will see the Facebook name or Facebook page name in here. And for you to connect your Meta Instant form, just click on this little three dots here and find form field mappings. And from here, you will see all your instant meta forms in your Facebook account or ad account that you have created. And from here, if it's not yet mapped or connected, you need to map it into your GoHighLevel. So, for example, this instant form is not yet connected. So I will just go and map fields and you will see the questionnaire or the fields that you have created in your Meta instant form as well here from here. And you then map it to the corresponding custom field where they will be stored. So that's it. So if you haven't created the custom fields first, um, make sure you create the custom fields so that you can select it from this drop down. You can simply search the custom field you created and then map it. And once that's done, just click on confirm and you're done. So it is important that every time you create a new Meta instant form, you go here and map it. Otherwise, the data will not be transferred or will not be connected to your CRM. They will not be recorded. And pretty much that's it. You're already connected your Meta instant form into GoHighLevel. Now, the second thing that you need to do is create an automation. So of course you're running ads, right? So from here, you can then create the automation when a lead submitted your Meta instant form. Just go here to automation and then create a workflow. You can simply just start from scratch. And from here, just find the trigger lead form submitted. So add new trigger, find lead form or Facebook lead form. There we go. Facebook lead form submitted. And then from here, you need to select what's the name of the page if you have connected multiple ones and which instant form are you referring to. So you can select what instant form that will trigger this workflow. And once you did do that, let's just go and save this trigger. And once you've done that, then you create action. Like for example, an internal notification that someone submitted a lead, tag them accordingly that this came from a Facebook page or Facebook instant form or Meta instant form. And that's it. You're all set. You can do whatever you want when a lead submitted your instant form. And that's pretty much it for this quick tutorial. And you all have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.